everyone, I am going to explain some questions from exercise 3.3 of 11th class maths. So today we will start from question number 19. As you can see, question number 19 is we have to prove sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 2x. So we will start to prove it by taking left hand side. So first here we will write down on solving left hand side. We get, so we will write down here left hand side. So what is our left hand side? Sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x. So students, here you can see that the greater angle is 3x. That's why I am writing this 3x in at first place. That's why I am just changing their order. That is sin 3x, then sin x. Why I am doing this? Because when I will use the formula, that time I will get the negative term. So to avoid that, I have done this. If you are not going to do, then also it is not a problem. The thing is, you will get only minus sign in numerator as well as minus sign in the denominator. That finally will cancel. That's why. So here I changed only the order of these terms. Greater angle ratio I wrote at first place and the other one I wrote at the second place. So this is our left hand side. Now here we are going to use the formula. So formula I am writing here. Which formula I am going to use? That is the first formula which I am going to use is of S plus S. S plus S is 2SC. The meaning of this formula is, if we have sin x plus sin y, then the formula is 2 sin x plus y upon 2 and cos x minus y upon 2. The other formula which we are going to use is C plus C, that is 2CC. C means cos. So if we have cos x plus cos y, the formula is 2 cos x plus y upon 2 and then cos x minus y upon 2. So here the S and C are the short form of sin and cos. So like this you can learn it. So these two formulas I am going to use. So I wrote in the corner. Now here in numerator I am going to use this formula. So here what we have to do, 2 with 2 sin, then sum of angle divided by 2, then cos, difference of angle divided by 2. So we will write here. So here the angles are 3x and x. So 2, then sin sum of angle is 3x plus x divided by 2, then cos, difference of angle is 3x minus x divided by 2. In the same way down, 2 cos sum of angle, that is 3x plus x divided by 2, and then again cos, difference of angle, that is 3x minus x divided by 2. So after using the formula, we will simplify it. Here 2 and 2 will cancel each other. 3x plus x is 4x. 4x divided by 2 is 2x. Means when we write here, its answer is going to be only sin 2x. So sin 2x, this 2 additionally came. I just going to erase it. So this 2 and 2 will cancel each other. Sin 3x plus x is 4x. 4x divided by 2 is only 2x. In the same way here, when we minus, we will get 2x. 2x divided by 2 is only x. So we will get here only cos x. In the same way down, this 2 already get cancelled. Here we will get cos 2x because it is going to be 4x. 4x divided by 2 is 2x. That's why we will write here only cos 2x. And here again 3x minus x is 2x. 2x divided by 2 is x. So we will get here only cos x. Now this cos x and cos x will cancel each other. We are remain with sin x, sin 2x and cos 2x. So that is going to be our tan 2x. That is our right hand side. So we write here right hand side and which implies left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence so this question is proved. So students, this question is not so tough. What we had done, we only interchanged the terms first so that the greater angle ratio will come at the first place and smaller angle ratio will come at the second place. Then we had used these formulas. Formulas are very important. I hope you might have learnt it. So in the formula, just put the values of the angle, and after solving them easily you can get your right hand side. Thank you. Now we will do question number 20 from the same exercise. Here the question number 20 is, we have to prove sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x. So in this also we will start by the left hand side. So first we will write down on solving left hand side. So it's going to be on solving left hand side we get, so what is our left hand side, that we'll write down left hand side, but with one change. In left hand side, as I explained in the previous question, that if you have higher angle at the second place, write it at the first place. So sin 3x is the greater angle than x as compared to the x, that's why sin 3x I am writing at the first place. So it's going to be sin 3x minus sin x. Now as you know that subtraction is not commutative, so if we want to achieve this result, means we have to take minus common. That's why I am going to take minus common here in the numerator. Same I will do in the denominator also. Here also I am going to take minus common. So if we take minus common, it is going to be cos square x minus sin square x. So by this what we obtained is, in next step, this minus and minus will cancel, and here we have to use the formula. So it's sin square x. So down you can see that it's the formula of cos 2x. So I am writing here direct answer of denominator, that is cos 2x, because students, cos 2x formula is cos square x minus sin square x. Now in numerator we are going to use the formula s minus s, that is 2cs. Now what is s? S for sin and c for cos. So if we have any equation, any question in this format, that is sin x minus sin y, then by using the formula it is going to be 2 cos sum of angles divided by 2, then sin difference of angles divided by 2. And first I want to use this formula in the numerator here, that's why I wrote. Now in denominator we are going to use the formula of cos 2x. Cos 2x formula is cos square x minus sin square x. So these two formulas I am going to use. This is in the numerator, this one is in the denominator. So in numerator I already wrote here. As I explained to you, minus and minus is going to cancel each other. So s minus s, directly we will write down this formula, that is 2 cos. So we start to write here 2 cos sum of angles, that is 3x plus x upon 2, then sin difference of angles, that is 3x minus x divided by 2. Now is going to be, in denominator cos 2x we will write down as it is. This 2 also will write down as it is. Now here 3x plus x is 4x. 4x divided by 2 is 2x. That's why it's going to be cos 2x. So cos 2x, then sin 3x minus x is 2x. 2x divided by 2 is only x. So the answer of this complete term is going to be sin x. So sin x. Now cos 2x and cos 2x will cancel each other. So we will get here only 2 sin x. That is our right hand side. So we will write down here right hand side, which implies left hand side is equal to right hand side, and this question is proved. So students, I hope this question is clear to you. So what we had done, first we interchanged the first term and second term by taking minus common in numerator as well as in denominator. In numerator we had used the formula of s minus s is equal to 2cs. In denominator we had used the formula of cos 2x, and by using the formula we got our answer. Thank you.